Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. I say hi to my teacher. I read a book. I write with a pencil. I play with my friends. I love my family. I help my mom. I play with my toys. I drink milk. I watch cartoons. I ride my bike. The sky is blue. I eat my dinner. I take a bath. I wear my pajamas. Good night, Dad. Good night, Mom. I sleep in my bed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.